Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. So basically in this video we are going to talk about what is Firebase and how to connect our Flutter app to Firebase. So basically in this video we are going to see the introduction part of a Firebase, that what is basically a Firebase, why we are using Firebase, and how to set up a Flutter project or an Android project in a Firebase. So let's get started. So basically, what is a Firebase? So basically, Firebase is a development platform designed by Firebase team and later on acquired by Google. So basically, Firebase help us to develop a iOS app, Android app, and a web application. So if I'm talking about the Firebase official website, this is the official website of a Firebase. And on the front page it shows that Firebase helps mobile and web apps team succeeded. So if you want, you can also click on get started to know more about the Firebase. So basically it provides you a database, it helps to provides you basically app management tool, you can say. So basically this is the Firebase project. If you added any project, so let's get the introduction part first. So if you want, you can also watch the video. So basically it's help us to build app fast without managing infrastructure, because it's already provided you itself infrastructure, so you don't need to build a huge infrastructure. You don't need to worry about backend, because it's already provided you a good backend platform. And if I'm talking about what this Firebase basically help us to, so it's help us to provide a cloud file storage. It provides a Firebase ML, cloud functions, authentications, hosting, cloud storage, real-time database, and it's also improved the app quality. It's also provides you a tool to manage and look for the catalytics, performance monitoring, test lab, and app distribution, and also help us to grow your business. Like it also sets up Google Analytics, so you can check the performance of your app and your A/B testing, predictions, cloud messaging, remote dynamic things. So basically, it helps developers a lot of way and save their efforts. So if you want to know more about this, you can also click on something like learn more, and you will be redirected to a page where you will get a lot of other information, like what is cloud Firestore, what is Firebase ML authentication, and all. So this is the basic part. If you want, you can also visit the doc part of Firebase to know more about Firebase and how to get started with iOS and how to get started with Android. So basically, if you want to know about this documentation, you can learn it. Otherwise, I will definitely going to provide you all the information by using my videos. So let's create our first project in Flutter and using Firebase. So basically it's a part of a Google, so you can log in to Firebase by using your Gmail account and go to console, and there you will get the information of your project, how to create a basic project. So I have already created my two different projects, so let's do it by using a simple add project. So whenever you are going to start a new Firebase project, you have to create a new fresh project. So this is my sample project I have already created. So you have to create first your add project. So I'm going to click this first add project, and it wants a project name. So basically whatever you name you want, you can give the name Firebase demo. So I'm going to give my project name as a Firebase demo, and then second part will be Google Analytics for your Firebase. So basically it's give you an option to run a A/B test. A/B test means if you want to use test cases, or if you want to add some certain feature to a certain area, or you want to manage something, you can use this type of A/B testing tool to manage your features. So it also provides cache-free users. So it basically provides you a management tool to manage your app. So if you want, you can enable it, or if you want, you can disable it. As of now, I'm not going to use it because I don't want to make it more complicated, and I just want to make it more simple from scratch. So I'm just going to create a project first. So it will take approx 1 or 2 seconds time to create your project. Yes, my project is ready. Now I'm going to click on continue and see. This is my console of my project. So basically, it's gives you a lot of more options like authentication, database, storage, hosting, functions, machine learning. So this is my iOS. If you want to add your iOS app, you can click on this. If you want your Android app to be connected, you can click on this. And if you want any web application to connect on this, and this is for Unity game engine. So basically, I'm going to use it as a Flutter app, Android app. So click on the Android app, and it requires a register app page. So it's needed a Android package name, then a Android nickname that is optional, and debug certificate SHA that is optional. So I'm just going to give the application name. So where we'll get the application name. So let's see, you have a one Flutter project. So basically, this is the basic Flutter project you have. So if you want, so where I will get the name of my register app. So basically, this is the Flutter app, and this is the your file. So you will go to Android. There you will get a build Gradle option. So this is the build Gradle option. Inside this, you will get two different Gradle, that is build Gradle and app Gradle. So go to inside the app, and inside the app you will get build Gradle, correct? So inside the build Gradle, inside the app you will get build Gradle option, and and you can scroll down and you will get application ID. So where will you will get this application ID inside the Android, and then you will get app option. Inside the app you will get build Gradle, and inside the build Gradle you will get .com example sign in. That is the name of my application ID. So we'll copy this application ID name and paste it here. If you want, you can also get this name while creating a Flutter project at the very beginning, if you are using your Android studio. So basically, this is the your application nickname. So if you want, you can give any nickname. That is optional. If you don't want, you can also not don't want to give any name. And then you will get a debug signing certification, that is SHA, that is optional. So I'm not going to use this. So basically, okay, let's see what is this basically. So I'm going to click this icon, and this will lands me to a page that what is basically this. So this will basically help you to authentication purpose. So basically, if you're using Mac or a Windows, you can use if you're using Windows app, you can use this command and run it to a terminal. If you're using Mac, you can use this to run this. Copy and paste. I'm using MacBook, so I'm going to copy this and paste this. And it requires a password. The default password is Android. And when you give the Android option, it will gives you a SHA key. So your SHA key is this. This is your SHA key. You can copy this and paste this. Perfect. And now you can register your app. So basically, this SHA key is used to authenticate yourself. And now what is this? Now you have registered your app. You have to download google.json file. So I have already added one downloaded a file. So I'm just going to remove this. So currently I do not have any file download google.json. So you can download this by clicking on this. Perfect. Now you have to copy. You have to copy this file to a to your project inside the app. So how can you do that? You can click, you can copy this, you can copy this Google JSON and paste it inside the app folder. Perfect. So I have already placed my Google services. So you can, so I'm removing this. So currently what we are going to do, you are just going to copy this file and paste it inside this app folder. So it will goes to the below the build.gradle or service. Perfect. And now click on next. And now you have to put these things into a build.gradle and your app.gradle. So basically we have two types of build.gradle, that is inside one app build.gradle, and then again there is a Android app .gradle. So see, so basically we have two types of build.gradle, that is project based and one is app based. Perfect. That like this, one is your build.gradle project based and one is your app build.gradle. So basically you have to put all this, you can copy this and put this on app.gradle, that is apply plugin inside this, and you can just copy and paste it. I have already pasted it, so I'm not going to paste it again. So I'm just going to remove this. So you can now copy all these dependencies. If you already have these dependencies in your project, then you don't need to copy this or paste this. If you do not have these dependencies in your project, you can copy and paste this and save it. And now next on, click on next, and your app is now registered with your Firebase. So basically, in upcoming videos, we are going to see how to authenticate by using Facebook, how to authenticate by using email, phone number, Google Play Games. Basically, it's a kind of authentication. So basically, we're going to see a lot more things in this Flutter Firebase series. How to authenticate by using Gmail, or how to attach database, how to use hosting and storage and all. So in this video, we are going to see only this part, and next video we are going to see how to authenticate by using an email. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and don't forget to follow me on my social media account, link in the description. Thank you.